Hello guys and welcome back to Saniya's Art Studio. In today's video we are going to learn how to make this super thick lemon textured art. So I am painting this on a stretched canvas, so you can take any wooden board or stretched canvas for textured art. So if you already follow my channel, you already know the things I've been using to make this texture. Just to give you a higher level recap, I am using like texture paste, which is also called as the molding paste. You can use like any brand's molding paste which is available in your nearby art and craft store. I am using a Gaffrey's texture paste, which is very specific, and you get this paste in the US. I'm not sure if it's available in any other country, but just for any other alternative, you can always use molding paste or texture paste. That works fine too. I just made sure to put the texture paste in a cone and just squeeze it in a shape of a leaf, and I'm using a diamond shaped knife to give it a shape of a leaf, as you can see on the screen. Just make sure your hands are very gentle while you're giving the shape of leaves to it, and you're giving a little strokes which replicates the shape of a leaf over here. So what I do is like the first layer I always do with more darker color, dark intense color of green, so it kind of gives depth to your painting, and the upper layers are usually more lighter, so you can use light green or mix a little primary yellow with your green to give it a lighter more shade over here. And we are repeating the same process that we did it for the very first layer. And here I'm making the lemon. So I've just put the texture paste in a cone, filled it, and I'm just putting a blob of paint to give it a shape of a lemon. So you can use the same technique to make an orange tree, a lemon tree, a cherry tree, a strawberry tree, or whatever kind of fruit tree you want to make, and whatever kind of painting you want to make. After this, we are just going to take like just the basic acrylic color and a round shaped knife, or maybe a diamond shape would also work, and we are just going to put a little layer of color on it. So as you can see, the initial layer was just the blob of primary yellow color. So to give it a little more depth, we are going to make sure that one side of lemon is a little more darker and it has a little more lighter shade on it to give it a more 3D look. You need to practice this a lot to be good at it. So you're not going to get in first attempt. If you get, it's really well and good, but if not, please make sure that you're practicing it enough to be really good at it. I've been doing it for years, and that's how I got here. Just putting a hint of white to give it like 3D look, like if you've actually seen a lemon tree, so that sunshine comes from one side of the tree and it gives a beautiful light color to the lemons. If you have any comments and if you want to know any more details about this painting, please make sure you're adding your comment on my video, and hope you are subscribing to my channel. And thank you so much for watching my video. And do let me know what you would like to see next on my channel. I'm just adding a little hints of leaves here and there. So these are the tiny little details which make a difference. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you like the super thick lemon textured art. Bye bye and have a good day.